Now, structure of data are types of data available available in the market. So this is very important thing which we have to see. We have basically four types of data. First of all, we have cross-sectional data, then we have time series data, then we have pooled data, and then we have panel और longitudinal data. तो सबसे पहले हम क्रॉस सेक्शनल डाटा जो उसे देखते हैं. क्रॉस सेक्शनल डाटा इज a sample of entities at a given point in time. So we have single time period but we have multiple entities. इसे आप क्रॉस सेक्शन डाटा कहते हो. और जब आप टाइम सीरीज को देखते हैं तो उसमें we have one entity but multiple time periods. Okay, and then उसके बाद पूल्ड डाटा जो है वो आ जाता है. तो पूल्ड डाटा इज बेसिकली इट कंबाइंस क्रॉस सेक्शन एंड टाइम सीरीज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ईयर्स. और यही काम आप पैनल के अंदर भी कर रहे होते हैं कि इट्स ए कम्बिनेशन ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन एंड टाइम सीरीज. लेकिन पूल डाटा में क्या होता है कि वो जो एंटिटीज होती हैं उसके अंदर वो स्टैटिक होती हैं. जब वो चेंज होती हैं, सॉरी, वो चेंज तब्दील हो सकती हैं, जबकि पैनल डाटा के अंदर वो तब्दील नहीं होती. अब इनकी एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. सो क्रॉस सेक्शन डाटा क्या था कि सैंपल ऑफ एंटिटीज एट ए गिवन पॉइंट इन टाइम, सिंगल टाइम पीरियड बट मल्टीपल एंटिटीज. लेट्स से for example, we want to see the economic growth of Asian countries in 2020, in 2020. So what has happened over here is we have one time period but we have Asian countries, multiple countries. Okay, so we have multiple entities but single time period. And when we will come towards the time series data, then obviously we have one entity but multiple time periods. So इसके लिए भी हम देखेंगे कि economic growth of Pakistan from 1947 to 2020. So what has happened over here, we have, we were discussing time series data. The example was GDP growth rate of Pakistan from 1947 to 2020. So we have one entity which is Pakistan, and we have GDP growth rate data of multiple years. Okay, so this is time series data. And when we come towards pool data, then if entities are changing, if entities are dynamic, okay, then we call it pooled data. Pooled data is a combination of time series and cross section, but entities may change during the time period. Whereas in panel data, entities are static, they are fixed, they cannot be changed. For example, if we say GDP growth rate of GDP growth rate of three Asian countries from 2001 to 2020, then this is basically pool data, because here we have mentioned that three Asian countries GDP growth rate. So they can vary. First of all, it can be Pakistan, China, India, and then Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, then Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh. Okay, so uh, three Asian countries GDP growth rate data from 2001 to 2020. This is pooled data, and here entities may change. In our example, countries are changing, but in panel data, we have to say it GDP growth rate of Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka from 2001 to 2020. So here we are basically fixing the entities. Okay, entities cannot be changed in panel data set. And here we have examples of these things. First of all, monthly income of a sample of individual in 2014. So we have multiple individuals, and 2014 is single time period. This is cross section data. And then monthly income of a person over time. So 2010 से 2014 तक की monthly income of a person over time. So we have multiple time periods, but we have single person. In pooled data, monthly income of respondents from 2011 to 2013. So here the word respondents has been used. If you see towards the time period, that time period is from 2011 to 2013. So in 2011, it is basically the monthly income of Ali and Iqbal, but in 2012 it is Salma and Kumail. In 2013 it is Sultan and Lubna. Okay, so entities are changing in pooled data set, whereas in panel or longitudinal data set, the exchange rate of different countries over time. Exchange rate of different countries over time. But here you have to see the data is from 2008 to 2010. Data is from 2008 to 2010, and countries are static. In 2008 it was Indonesia, in 2009 again it was Indonesia, in 2010 again it is Indonesia. And we are basically collecting the data of Indonesia, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, and the countries are static, entities are static. That is why we can call it panel data set. We can also say that exchange rate of Indonesia, Pakistan and Sri Lanka from 2008 to 2010. सो इन 3 सालों का डाटा जो है इन 3 कंट्रीज का जो है वो आप इकट्ठा अगर करें, तो ये जो डाटा इकट्ठा होगा उसे हम पैनल डाटा या लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डाटा जो है वो कहेंगे.